guys, it's time to hands on the Nokia 6 2018 edition. As for design and display, Nokia 6 2018 version looks very similar to Nokia 6 older version, however, the phone looks more compact and durable. The smartphone uses 6000 series aluminum alloy metal, which is integrated with molding technology. The phone looks more polished from back, which shows a good texture. At the same time, Nokia also maintained a strong and durable features in the Nokia 6 2018 edition. The phone gets a dedicated headphone jack at the top. This time, Nokia provides USB Type-C port at the bottom of the phone. You will also get a metal-coated volume rockers on the right side of the phone. Overall, you will get a metal and a durable design in this smartphone. Nokia 6 2018 still uses a 5.5-inch display with 1920 into 1080 pixel resolution, but still in the year of 2018, it didn't uses the current trend of popular full-view display design. However, due to a smaller screen size, the colors of the screen looks sharp and visible. This time, Nokia provides super fast charging technology in the Nokia 6 2018. In just 30 minutes, it charges about 49% in the charging test. A decent job by Nokia. As for the hardware goes and software goes, the phone is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor, which is an improved version of Snapdragon 625. The phone is capable to handle heavy games with no lags at all. The phone comes with two variants, 4 plus 32 and 4 plus 64 GB RAM and ROM configuration. The phone comes with a 3000 mAh of long-lasting battery. However, the phone is still running on Android 7.0 Nougat version, but company promises that soon it will be upgraded to Android Oreo. We will leave some camera samples at the last of the video. This phone is priced at a budget segment. Maybe it will be a tough challenger to upcoming Redmi Note 5. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.